and welcome to Corbellic Studios. Today I want to knock out an urban, abstract, expressionism portrait. It's just going to be different where we're going to have different layers to it, and I try to do these as quick as I can so that way you can have the impression of a face, a portrait, whatever the eyes are, but we're not going to be perfect with it as well. It's just going to have the idea of what the portrait is, the idea of the face, and then that's what's going to make it raw, and people are going to resonate with that. If they want a perfect face, then they could just print it out. They could go to a factory. There's so many different routes of where they could do that themselves. But what we're going to do, we're going to just try to make this quick and raw because people are going to resonate more with that emotion. That's why I always talk about this isn't an art school. This isn't an art class. I didn't go to art school, and we're just working off the projector here where we work off of the proportions, but we use the proportions to bring what's already inside of us out, where we're all creators as kids, and we can just put the raw image on there of whatever just comes out. I don't know. I just know that it always works out, and that's what we're going to do right now. Even if it doesn't work out, it's going to work out because we showed up. All right, so let's just show up and let's see what we do. All right, this is our image right here. And through my references, I pull my references up off of AI. So I have different prompts of how I'm able to generate my images off of AI. If you want the prompts yourself in all the different type of art that I do, then you can click the link below. I have everything pulled up of how you can use AI, or how you could even go through Pinterest and you can look up some of these different references and you can populate it yourself. So that way there's no guessing game for you. You don't have to do too much work, all right? Because I understand, all right? So I did all the guessing for you. I took it all out of the equation. So let's just work this quick. I'm gonna do, actually, let me do a bigger brush. I'm gonna do the 2-inch. All right. And let's do this background like this. Let's do some yellow. Yellows always pop. So look, you see how we're just working this fast? Look at that. Let's do some pink, just a little bit. Like I said, we want this to be raw. So we want to work this as quick as we can in a way, or as quick as we think we can. Even though I paint a lot, I still have to warm up myself with different paintings. When I come into the studio, I have to, this is a great exercise in order for you to warm up yourself. So now let's start going into our skin tone. And look at that. You see how I'm just doing big brushes. Let's go into some of the silver. Let's go into some silver. Look at this. Big brush strokes with the silver. The faster that I get on with the color blocking, the faster that I can get on later if I want to add the layers to the details, if I want to go in with certain details. But as long as I have the color underneath, which is the blocking of the main color, then that's fine. See? All right. Let's do a little bit of black. You see how I'm just working this fast. There's no right or wrong when it comes to this because we're just working off the idea of the portrait. People want to see something raw. I'm telling you, that's what's the cheat code. And I don't even want to say that's the cheat code of 2025. I'm going to say that's been the cheat code for a little bit of while now. It's just being authentic and being yourself, not trying so hard. People are there's too many people out there in the world already who are trying hard. So separate yourself from everybody else by not trying so hard like everybody else. Let everybody else try so hard. You don't have to try so hard. With this, you could be rewarded for not trying so hard. I could show you inside my eBay coaching how you can set yourself up, how you could do everything. You could do this yourself and start making money as early as next week. But make sure that you're set up the right way, or you could hurt your account and then you can get it banned before you know it. I know so many people who try to set their account up by themselves and then they got an MC77 on there and they get their account suspended without even knowing. And then they come back, what did I do? Well, you should have went through me in the elite program first. You would have saved yourself so much time. Oh, look at that. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, since I have the premise there, now I'm just gonna dry it off. I'm gonna dry it off with the heat gun, and then I'm gonna go in there with some black and then edge up the face a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in there with a little bit more details and a little bit more layers, and there we go right there, boom, our neo-expressionism. It's gonna be crazy. Boom, there we go. All right, now let me take out our 1/2 inch right here, and then we're just gonna go in more with the sketching more of the face, right? And I'm not trying to be detailed on this as well. The faster, the better. So that way it's the idea, but it's also the confident strokes. I don't want people to look at my artwork and be like, I could tell you were trying. It's more of a difference when it's the confident trying. Like, you just know that it's good enough. Compared to you try to do something where it's like, you try to make it look like detailed and then it doesn't work out that way. And people are like, oh, I see that you were struggling with that one part of the hand. And ooh, look at that. That's great. Look at this. Like this, right? Look at that. Let's do the eye. And then the ear, just like that, right? Something different. And like I said, we're still going to add just one more layer to this after, so that way we can punch up the colors with what a light is, probably like a light blue, and then the white. Boom. Yeah, let's punch it up. Let me go in with our 1-inch brush. And then just add a couple more layers to the face. Let's go in with the silver, cause why not have some silver? It's rare that I get the chance to use it, so let's use it right now. There's no right or wrong in this. I always say, the only right or wrong is you not showing up. Like, even if I wanted to mark out one of the eyes, I could do that. That'd be fine. Because you're going to get a better idea of who your audience is. You're going to get an idea of like, man, they didn't actually want that pretty stuff that I was trying to do. I was trying to control the market by doing the pretty stuff, Corbellic, and you was right. You know how many times that I get that inside the eBay community where somebody goes, man, Corbellic was right. I was trying to do all this pretty stuff and I didn't know that they wanted my original ugly stuff. Or it's not ugly, art is subjective. You get what I'm saying though. Ugly in the traditional way of what we were trained in, or we were told what sells and what's pretty and what's... None of that stuff matters. You're good at, you're adequate enough. All right, let's turn the light on so we can just work off of it ourselves. And you see, like, I'm just adding different layers on here. I don't know what I'm doing. Right? But that's the cool thing, is that once you have all these different layers, it makes it seem like you know what you're doing. When people, they're like, wow, he's so confident in his brush strokes. That must have took him months to do. They don't know that it took us 10 minutes. All right, look at that. That's cool. That is a cool painting. Maybe you can even add another layer to it, and you could add like some oil pastel, right? I mean, that's if you have enough time, or if you feel like doing that, you can do that. Or even like, let's do a dark pastel. I was gonna do a charcoal stick. Look at this. You could do like this. All right. That is so cool. That is bold, confident, beautiful face right there. Let's put our signature on here and we're done. We did a great job. That was fun. These are always fun. And we didn't even know what direction it was going to go to, but we did this in about 15 minutes. Look at this. We did this together. Huh? Look at that. Neo-expressionism, funky face, urban, you know, something that's out there, but you get the gist of it, right? They could put this in a gallery right here and they would sell this for $200, $500. You'll see this on Saatchi art. I mean, you could pull my name up, Corbellic, right? And you could go to Saatchi, or you could go to any of these gallery sites and you have a bunch of my resellers out there who selling my stuff for $500, $1,000. I mean, even some of my stuff that I put in hotels. I mean, it's stuff just like this that we did right now together. I'm showing you the cheat code for free and how you can do it for yourself. So click the link below, join us in the free eBay art community, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.